Find the zeros of the following. Find the zeros of the following of quadratic polynomial and verify relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. X square minus x minus 6. Find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the coefficients, the zeros and the coefficients of x square minus x minus 6. So P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Screen కనిపిస్తుందమ్మా?
Yes.
So P of x is equal to x square minus x minus 6. Let P of x is equal to 0. Then x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. 6 means the factors of 6 are 3 into 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. So x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 equal to 0. X common. Again 2 common. So x minus 3, x minus 3, x plus 2. So x minus 3 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 2. So first in this factors using the factorization method. So 3 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. Therefore 3 and minus 2 are zeros of the polynomial. Then ఇంతవరకు మీకు నార్మల్ గా మనం ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ తో చేసాం జస్ట్ ఫైండింగ్ ద ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఎట్లా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి అని ఓకేనా దెన్ దీని తర్వాత మనము కొన్ని ఎక్స్ట్రా స్టెప్స్ చేస్తాం ఏంటి అవి అంటే write P of x equal to x square minus x minus 6. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, right?
Yes.
Ax square plus bx plus c. So the value of a is 1. The value of b is minus 1. The value of c is minus 6. Antena? The value of a is 1, the value of b is minus 1, the value of c is minus 6. And also we can say the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square means 1. Coefficient of x means minus 1. Constant is minus 6. Okay. Now we write the formula to check the coefficients. Verification is relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So now we are going to write the formula. Sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial sum of zeros of a quadratic polynomial equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a equal to coefficient of minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. So we have to substitute the values, right? So alpha and beta, here 3 is what alpha and beta is -2. So this is one root, this is the other zeros of the polynomial. We have two zeros of the polynomial, one is considered as an alpha and the other as a beta. Then substitute in this formula. Then what is alpha? 3, beta is -2. So 3 minus 2 equal to minus b by a. Minus b means -1 minus of -1 by a. What is a?
1, sir.
1 equal to minus, again coefficient of x. What is coefficient of x?
-2.
Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is again 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus into minus is plus is 1. Again minus into minus plus is 1. So you're getting all the values are same. Next one is product of zeros of a quadratic polynomial equal to alpha beta c by a constant term by coefficient of x square. So alpha beta, what is alpha beta? 3 into -2. 3 into -2. One second. 3 into -2. What is c? C is -6 by a. A is
1.
equal to constant term. What is constant term? -6 by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 1.
1.
So 3 to the 6 -6 -6. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
అర్థమైందా?
Yes, sir.
Very important sum, Mama. It's a very important sum for 4 marks.
Sir, sir, అక్కడ x square equal to 1 ఎలా తీసుకున్నాం?
x square కి ముందు 1 ఉంటుంది కదమ్మా కోఎఫిషియంట్.
Okay.
If there is no value అంటే 1 కదా. స్ఫూర్తి అర్థమైందా అమ్మా సమ్ము?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
మధులిక
అర్థమైంది.
సాహితి
అర్థమైంది.